In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace audio or text on the Suno AI website using Google Chrome. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring that you're equipped to make changes smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. If you're already using it, great. Simply launch a new tab. On that new tab, type in the URL for the Suno AI website. Once the site loads, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, look for the login option at the top right corner of your screen. It's important to have your credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your projects and make any necessary changes. After successfully logging in, you'll want to navigate to the specific section where you intend to replace audio or text. This could be part of a project or a document you've been working on. Take your time to browse through your dashboard and identify the exact project that requires updating. Remember, clarity is key, so ensuring you're in the right section will save you time and prevent any unwanted edits elsewhere. Once you're in the correct section, look for a button labeled Replace. If it's not immediately visible, other similar options may include Edit or Change. The interface should provide you with a straightforward process, so don't worry if it takes a moment to locate. After finding the appropriate button, give it a click. At this point, you're preparing to upload or select new content, whether it's a fresh audio file or updated text. Now comes the step where you actually select the new content. If you're replacing audio, make sure the file is in an appropriate format and saved in an accessible location on your device. Similarly, if it's text, you might have a document or a note ready to go. Click on the option to either upload from your device or select from a list of previously used files if that applies. Ensure that the content you choose is the correct replacement for what's currently in place. After selecting your new audio or text, it's crucial to confirm your changes. Look for a button or prompt that says Confirm or Save. Clicking this will cement the changes you've made, updating the section with your new content. Don't rush this step. Double check to ensure everything is as you want it, and there you have it. A seamless process to replace audio or text on the Suno AI website. By following these instructions, you can keep your projects up to date and maintain the quality and relevance of your content. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials.